Hi there, and welcome to Rad Glue. Today, we're going to be fixing an old hot rod radiator. First thing is to don your proper PPE. As you can see on the top here, this is the damaged area that's leaking. It's a split seam, and we've already cleaned the area. As you can see, the metal is quite raw, and the bubbles coming out is where it's leaking. We're going to make sure the working area is extremely dry and no foreign debris in place. We want the working area to be bone dry. Here we are dispensing the Rad Glue. And here we are mixing the Rad Glue. Mix for about a minute. Apply in large amounts. Keep your working area neat. As you can see here, we're putting it on the damaged area and spreading it out so it settles into the damaged area. And we're also paddling it or pushing it into the area to make sure it's completely covered. This is how the repair works. Don't be afraid to use a whole tube and cover the area that's damaged. After about an hour's cure time, here we are at about 15 pounds with Rad Glue holding strong. These bubbles are just overspray from the bottle. There's no leaks. As you can see here, nice and smooth, rock hard, Rad Glue. Fix it fast, make it last. Rad Glue. Thanks for watching our video today. Like and subscribe and shop now.